Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start studying electrical engineering step by step. We'll cover the essential foundational knowledge you need, from understanding basic principles to diving into practical applications. This guide will help you build a strong base, ensuring you approach this exciting field with confidence and a clear path forward. Let's get started on your journey into electrical engineering. Once you have a grasp of the basics, it's time to deepen your understanding of core electrical engineering concepts. Focus on circuit theory, digital logic, and fundamental electronics. There are many excellent resources available, from free online lectures to comprehensive textbooks. Engaging with these materials will solidify your knowledge and prepare you for more advanced topics. Remember, consistent learning is key. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: just like you're upgrading your knowledge, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your life easier. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Applying what you learn is crucial for true understanding. Start building small projects, perhaps a simple LED circuit or a basic sensor system. This hands-on experience will bridge the gap between theory and practice. As you progress, you might discover a passion for a specific area within electrical engineering, like power systems or robotics. Exploring these specializations can guide your future studies and career.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.